Hey everyone, Dave Novak, Prevention Pest Control. So today's quick video is entitled Fall Cleanup. Let me tell you something. I hate fall cleanup. When I was a kid, my dad planted oak trees everywhere. We had shade, but guess what happened when you got to the fall? Leaves everywhere. And let me tell you something. I hate it so bad. When I built this house, I didn't plant one tree in my yard. Hate it. But guess what? You gotta do your fall cleanup. Let me tell you why. Especially, you get the yard cleaned up, it's late November, you think you're done, and then we get some warm days, and next thing you know, around the mulch beds and your shrubs, you've got leaves piled up, and you're like, screw it, I'll deal with it in the spring. Major mistake. The reason you want to clean up around the outside of your house is when you get a stack of leaves in there, you get 2-3 inches of leaves in there, now that's a harborage spot for spiders, ants, bees, mice, all that stuff. So today, we don't like to timestamp these, but we're mid-December right now with this warm weather. What is today, 8th, 9th, something like that. It's 50 degrees. On a day like this, take advantage, get out, and do your fall cleanup. You get that stuff out of there, now those insects can't overwinter in that stuff. And then you'll cut down on the amount of bugs that you'll see in the winter and in the spring when the weather flips. I know in our neighborhood, out of nowhere 2 years ago, we started getting rabbits. And my shrubs, I was real delinquent this year on trimming those up. Last year we had rabbits living in those, and they ended up chewing half of our Christmas decorations. So Patrick and I, about a month ago, went out and trimmed all the bushes, cleaned them up. Now when I walk my dog out there, I don't see a rabbit shooting down the road. And that's another big thing, rabbits, coyotes, all this kind of crazy stuff that's been a resurgence the last few years. We'll really cut down on all that, okay? So if you're like me and you hate fall cleanup, you're just gonna have to buckle up and get it done, all right? Fall's pretty much over, winter's right around the corner here. Get it cleaned up. It'll go a long way to keeping bugs out of your house. If you need something, give us a call, 234-571-1203. See you next time.